Good morning, children. Here we are back to our English class. Let's continue with the topic of articles. And first, let's do a quick recap. An article is a word that comes before a noun. There are three articles, a, an, the. Out of these three articles, articles a and an are used before singular nouns, and article the is used before singular nouns as well as plural nouns. We use article a before naming words that begin with a consonant. We use an before naming words that begin with a vowel. And which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Article the we use for something specific. And this year we need to remember just three examples: the sun, the moon, the earth. Now children, I had taught you a simple way to differentiate between article a and an. If you want to figure out which article to use, we need to look at the next word after the blank and ask a simple question. Does the next word begin with a vowel? If the answer is no, if the word does not begin with a vowel, we use article a. And if the next word begins with a vowel, if the answer to this question is yes, we use article an. Now that we have revised the topic, let's move on to some exercises in your grammar book. I hope you all are ready with your grammar books and a pencil. You can start writing as we discuss. So first, open your books to page number 67. On page 67, we will first do exercise A. Look at the pictures and name them. Add a or an before each of the names correctly. Here the first one is already done for us. The first picture is the picture of engine. Engine begins with the vowel E. So we have used article an engine. The next picture is that of mango. Now the word mango starts with M. Is M a vowel or consonant? M is a consonant. So we use article a mango. You can write it down, a mango. Number 3 is the picture of ice cream. Ice cream begins with the vowel I. And which article do we use before a vowel? Article an. So it will be an ice cream. Number 4 is the picture of a ball. B is a consonant, So the word ball starts with a consonant, and so we use article A. A ball. After you have written this, let's move on to the next page, page number 68. On page 68, number 5, what picture do you see in number 5? It's the picture of a house. Which article do we use before house? A. And why do we use article A? Because house begins with a consonant. A house. Number 6 is the picture of umbrella. The first letter of the word umbrella is U. And because U is a vowel, we use article an. An umbrella. Number 7, a car. Car starts with a consonant, so we use article A. And the last picture is the picture of elephant. Can you write this down on your own? I'm sure you can. Yes, elephant begins with a vowel E. So an elephant. Now, on the same page, let's move on to exercise B. Fill in the blanks with A or an. Here there are some sentences given and we have to put the correct article in the blanks. What will we do? We will look at the next word after the blank and decide whether to use A or an. If the next word begins with a vowel, we use article an, and if the next word does not begin with a vowel, that means it begins with a consonant. So we use article A. First one, my mother peeled dash orange. My mother peeled dash orange. What article will we use? The next word is orange. Does orange start with a vowel? The answer is yes. So we use article an. My mother peeled an orange. Number 2. She read dash book. She read dash book. The next word after the blank is book, and book starts with a consonant. So we use article A. She read a book. Children, I hope you're writing. Number 3. Rosie has dash umbrella. The next word is umbrella, and because it starts with a vowel, we use article an. Rosie has an umbrella. Next is number 4. Rahul ate dash ice cream. What article will we use? We use an, because ice cream begins with a vowel. Rahul ate an ice cream. 5. I planted dash seed. The next word is seed. Does it begin with a vowel? The answer is no. So article A. I planted a seed. And number 6, I saw dash elephant. Yes, correct. I saw an elephant. Now on the same page, page number 68, we will be doing exercise C. Tick the correct answers from the options given in brackets. Here there are some pictures and there are 2 brackets given for each of the object. We have to select the correct article. In the first one, we see computer and table. Now, in the first bracket, there is a or an. Will it be a computer or an computer? Computer starts with a consonant. So it will be a computer. So we will put a tick on article A. A computer, and will it be a table or an table? Yes, a table, because T is a consonant. So a computer and a table. Number 2. On page 69, the second one is, we see 2 animals, elephant and rabbit. Now, in the first bracket, a or an, is it a elephant or an elephant? Elephant starts with letter E. E is a vowel, so an elephant. Let's put a tick on an. And the second bracket is for rabbit. A rabbit or an rabbit? Yes, correct. It is a rabbit. An elephant and a rabbit. Let's move on to the next one, number 3. Here we see sun and we see moon. And what articles do we use for sun and moon? Because they are specific or one of its kinds, we use article the. So, the sun and the moon. Last one, number 4. In the picture, we see teacher and student. Now let's pick the correct article that goes with teacher and student. Will it be a teacher or an teacher? That's right, a teacher, because T is not a vowel. And a student or an student, again it will be a student. So, a teacher and a student. Okay, now we move on to the next exercise D on the same page, page number 69. Unscramble and write the naming words. Add a, an, or the before each of them correctly. Here there are 4 pictures given and there are some jumbled words. There is a jumbled word for each picture. We have to unscramble them, put it in the correct order, and we need to decide whether to use article a, an, or the before them, and then write it down in the blank below each picture. Here, the first one is done for us. First one is the picture of house. And because house begins with a consonant, we use article a house. Number 2, this is the picture of an owl, but the letters are jumbled. So let's put them in the correct order. The correct order is O, W, L. And because owl begins with a vowel, we will use article an owl. What do you see in the next picture, number 3? This is the picture of Earth. Earth is the planet on which we live. What will be the correct spelling of the Earth? Can you help me with that? The correct spelling will be E-A-R-T-H. And because E is a vowel, we will use, what will we use? Shall we use an? No. What do we use for something specific? We use the article the. Very good. So we use the earth. Children, always remember the 3 examples: sun, moon, earth. With all these 3, we use article the. Even if it begins with a vowel or a consonant, we will not look at that. We will use article the. And the last picture is that of an umbrella. Umbrella, the correct spelling is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. And umbrella starts with a vowel. So article an umbrella. Children, I hope you have completed writing. So, in today's prep work, I'm going to send you a worksheet on articles. Please complete the worksheet. And with this, we come to an end to our topic of articles. In the next session, you will start with a new lesson in your English course book. So, thank you children, and goodbye till we meet again.